She don't know why that she love me, she say she attached. Hanging right up in my face and calling me back when I don't call her back. Asking me questions like I'm gonna crack. Passive aggressive whenever we chat. I got the message that she was a blessing. The second she said that she not coming back. Memories flash, sharing a blunt in a bath, listening, loving her laugh. She say I hate you and I get offended, but I always wondered if she ever meant it. I wanna tell her that I could be different, but then I'ma wonder if I even meant it. Maybe I mention that I do the dishes, and maybe she'll mention that she miss me too. I got the green, but they come with the blues. Smoking the green to get rid of the blues, making me choose. Lady, you making me choose between music and being with you. I got the anger and I got the yelling, and I got the stories from being with you. True, I think I made a mistake. I think we actually would have been great. We probably never would ever have parted. I think I'm probably fucking with fate. Give me a break. I did the best that I could with the hardest decision to make. I could stay faithful and give up my vision.